Good morning from my dining room table. We're at almost last minute. I am kitting up my hexagons, ready to add the next round. For my trip to Ireland and Scotland, I'll be gone almost 3 weeks, and there will be a lot of stitching time available on previous trips. I've made these center medallions. They're really fun. I've just used scraps. So with the flower in the middle and then 4 leaves to the outside. And the leaves don't have to be green because, hey, it can be any color that you want. But now I need to add all of these neutrals, got quite a few there, around the outside of the motifs. So what I'm doing is picking up a random amount to go around the center motifs. And then I have added, ta-da! I love these little square-sized snack baggies. They're smaller than a sandwich baggie, but I can fold the center motif in half and have the random neutrals that I need. And I have my hexagon papers in another little bag that travels with me, so I can carry just what I need and not too much, and it's perfect for plain stitching or bus stitching or evening hotel room stitching or sitting in the hotel bar with some other quilters and stitching, because that's what we do. It's early Saturday morning, and I know the quilters at Quiltville Inn were probably up sewing till 4 a.m. because I was told that's what they did the night before. But I'll be heading over there and maybe do some stitching with them today. So however you spend your Memorial Day weekend, maybe you'll find some time for fabric and thread, or even some plotting and planning and petting of fabric to put something together soon. Coming up in July, that's not too far away because I'll be gone for most of June, is our yearly Leader and Ender Challenge release. And this is a little block project that you can use as leaders and enders in between the lines of chain piecing your other things over the course of a year. So I'm getting that ready, and I'll be sharing that when I get back from Ireland in early July. I hope everybody has a marvelous weekend. Stay safe, everybody. Have fun. Make some memories. Eat some hot dogs. Whatever makes you happy. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.